If you have a low credit score and it's stopping you from getting the loan you need, then here are my top 3 tips on how to fix your credit fast. My number 1 top tip is to get a copy of your credit report as quickly as possible. The faster you get your report, the faster you're going to know what's wrong that's on there that you need to fix. If you're unsure on how to get a copy of your credit report, you can contact our team today and one of our consultants will help you through this. Be mindful of some of the free credit scoring websites online, as some of these websites aren't actually generating a true copy of your credit report. In fact, some of them can do more damage than good by placing inquiries on your actual report. So once you have a copy of your credit report, my number 2 top tip on how to fix your credit fast is to have the contents reviewed as quickly as possible. Now, obviously, if you've never seen a credit report before, the contents contained within the reports can be quite confusing and you could get quite frustrated, maybe even spend hours trying to understand your credit report. Rather than this, my best suggestion is to use a credit repair company that offers free reviews on credit reports. After all, this is what they're looking at every day of the week. And possibly in as little as 10 minutes, you'll understand what's wrong with your credit, which will enable you to fix your credit fast. But by far, the single most important factor to consider when looking to fix your credit fast, and you possibly need the help of a credit repair company, is to research existing reviews from actual clients. Now, not to say that website testimonials aren't great, but they can be written by anyone. Not that I'm saying that none of these are genuine, but at the end of the day, what you really need is honest, independent, verifiable advice. And you can get this from review sites such as Google, Yelp, and Yellow Pages. Let's face it, no company is going to write a negative testimonial on their website, but with Google, you can be assured that you're reading honest reviews from real clients. So those are my top 3 tips when it comes to fixing your credit fast. If you'd like more information on how to fix your credit, click the link below and we'll send you out a free copy of our credit repair ebook today. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Hi, it's Victoria Costa here, founder and CEO of Credit Fix Solutions. If you'd like more information regarding our company or our credit repair services, please go to our website at www.creditfixsolutions.com.au.